Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start in Rdr2 online. Make sure you're signed into your social club account because character data ties to it. Once done, check slots. If you'll overwrite, know which character to replace. Now open the pause menu, navigate to online, and select Change Character. This takes you to the character selection/creation flow immediately. Move deliberately so you don't accidentally choose the wrong slot. The game will prompt before permanent changes, so stay ready to confirm or cancel. Once you're in the character flow, pick Create New if you want a fresh start, otherwise select the slot to replace. You'll move through creator pages, pick gender, face structure, hair, and heritage sliders. Spend time here because many options are limited later. After appearance, set a name and starting attributes. Make sure to preview lighting and outfits so facial features read correctly. When satisfied, confirm your choices. The game applies changes and will load your character into the online session. Finish by confirming all prompts and letting the session save. Don't quit during the save. If you see visual glitches or wrong clothing, try changing outfits or visiting a barber shop to force an appearance refresh. If the character doesn't load or you get stuck, exit to the main menu, sign out and back into Social Club, and reload online. Finally, restart your device if problems persist. If the issue continues despite these steps, reach out to Rockstar support with your account details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.